Hello, kids! Wow! Look at my big body! I am strong and tall! I am a big elephant!
Hello, friends! See my tiny body? I am cute and little. I am a small elephant.
Hello, kids! Today we learned about big and small. One elephant is big, one elephant is small. Big and small are opposites. Children, look at the pictures carefully. In each box we see big and small things. Look at the whale and the fish. Which one is smaller? Yes, the fish is smaller. Circle the fish. Now look at the balls. Which ball is smaller? Very good. Circle the small ball. We can see big and small things everywhere, kids. Very good, children.
Hello, friends. Come and play with me. Let's learn body parts. Follow my actions. Touch your head. Blink your eyes with me. Blink your eyes with me. Tap your nose. Wiggle your ears. Open your mouth. Smile with your lips. Wave your hand. Stretch your arms now. Stamp your foot. Move your legs and walk with me. Great job, friends! You know many body parts now.
Hello, kids. Today we learned about body parts. We use our eyes to see. We use our legs to walk and run. Our hands help us do many things. Our mouth helps us to talk. Take good care of your body. Excellent, children. You did great today. Keep learning and smiling. See you in the...
Hello, friends. Today we will learn magic words. Magic words make us kind and polite. Let's listen carefully. Thank you for the chocolates, Dad.
You are welcome.
May I help you, Mom? Sure. Thank you, Tina. Excuse me, Dad. May I come in?
Yes, please come in, Tina.
I am sorry. I spoke while eating.
That's okay. Remember good manners.
Hello, kids. Today we learned about magic words. Magic words help us speak politely. We say thank you to show respect. We say excuse me to ask permission. We say sorry when we make a mistake. These are good manners. Excellent, children. You did great today. Keep learning and smiling.
Hello, friends. I have 5 amazing senses. They help me see, hear, smell, taste, and feel. Come, let's explore. Wow, look at the colors. I see with my eyes. This is my sense of sight. Listen, I hear a sound. I hear with my ears. This is my sense of hearing. What a nice smell. I smell with my nose. This is my sense of smell. Oh, soft and nice. I feel with my skin and hands. This is my sense of touch. Yummy, so tasty. I taste with my tongue. This is my sense of taste.
Hello, kids. Today we learned about our 5 senses. We see with our eyes. We hear with our ears. We smell with our nose. We taste with our tongue. We feel with our skin. These senses help us know the world around us. Excellent, children. You did great today. Keep learning and smiling.
Hello, friends. I am the letter O. I make the lovely O sound. Today, come meet my word families. Hello, friends. We are the OP family. Listen to our popping words.
Pop, hop, mop, top, cop.
Hello, friends. I am a happy frog. Come meet my OT family words.
Hot, pot, caught, not, got. Hello, friends. I am a bubbly soap. Let's meet my OG family bubbles.
Fog, dog, log, hog, jog, bog. Hello, kids. Today we met the letter O. We learned 3 wonderful families: the OP family, the playful OT family, and the bubbly OG family. Each family has special sounding words. When we read, we listen to the ending sound. You all did a fantastic job today. I am very proud of you. Excellent, children. You did great today. Keep learning and keep smiling.
Hello, welcome to Rhyme 5 Little Soldiers.
5 little soldiers standing in a row. 3 stood straight and 2 stood so. Along come the captain, and what do you think? They all stood straight, as quick as wink.
Hello, kids. I am number 1. We say 1. Say with me, 1.
Look, 1 apple. Number 1.
Let's spell one. O-N-E. 1.
Hello, kids. Today we learned the number name 1. 1 is written as 1. We spell 1 as O-N-E. 1 means a single object. Repeat with me. O-N-E is 1. Excellent, children. You did great today. Keep learning and smiling. See you next.
Hello, friends. Look at my hands and legs. They help me do many things. Come, let's see. I use my hands to pick things. I use my hands to write. I use my hands to hold things. I use my legs to run. I use my legs to kick a ball. Kick! I use my legs to walk.
Hello, kids. Today we learned about hands and legs. Hands help us pick, write, and hold things. Legs help us climb, run, kick, and walk. Our body parts help us every day. Excellent, children. You did great today. Keep learning and smiling.
Hello, friends. We feel with our skin. Let's touch and feel. Oh, a cat. Let me touch and feel. Wow. My teddy. So nice to touch. Look, a sponge. Let me feel. It's wet. My teddy is soft. Soft feels nice and gentle. This dress is smooth. Smooth feels slippery and nice. This table is hard. Hard feels strong. This wood is rough. Rough feels bumpy. Soft, smooth, hard, rough. My skin can feel them all.
Hello, kids. Today we learned about our skin. Our skin helps us feel things. Some things are soft. Some things are smooth. Some things are hard. Some things are rough. Excellent, children. You did great today. Keep learning and smiling.